Hello everyone, this is a D Pharmacy Pharmaceutics 1 class subject code 1.1T Unit 5. In this class, we are going to discuss the advantages, disadvantages and application of autoclaving. First of all, advantages of autoclaving. There are many advantages of autoclaving as it is a widely used sterilization technique in pharmaceutical industry. Here, some of the major advantages are listed out as I'm going to discuss those advantages. First of all, the major advantage of autoclave over other sterilization technique is autoclave works at lower temperature and it can efficiently destroy the microorganisms and their spores. Generally, it has been seen that the dry heat temperature is way more higher than the temperature needed to sterilize a material by autoclave. And apart from the temperature, the exposure time is also very high in case of dry heat when compared to autoclave. So we get many advantages. One of them is the temperature required is less for autoclave, and the other one is the time of exposure is less for autoclaving. The second advantage we are going to discuss, that is most of the equipments are their parts like rubbers, plastic, nylon, PVCs. They can effectively withstand the temperature and pressure that is created by autoclave. So that is another one advantage, that even the rubbers, plastics, PVCs, nylons, they do not decompose or do not degrade at the temperature that is needed to sterilize a substance by autoclaving. So it can withstand the temperature and the as well as the pressure. The next point is the autoclaves can be used for a larger batch of sample, or it can be used for batch wise operation, which is very helpful and very effective in case of particularly pharmaceutical industry or their operational procedure, that when the substance are eligible for batch operation, it becomes easier for us to handle those substances because of the batch wise operation. So that is another major advantage of using autoclave. The next thing we are going to discuss, that is disadvantages of autoclaving. There are certain disadvantages of autoclaving too, and the first one is autoclaves are not suitable for sterilizing powders and oils. Okay, so why it is not suitable for sterilizing powders and oils? Because we are using steam over here. That is the main reason. And the steams can be mixed with the dry powders and it can make it wet. Okay, sometimes this steam can mix with oils too, and that can be hydrated by any means. So powders and oils are should not be sterilized by using autoclaves. And another disadvantage is it cannot be used for products or the substances which spoils around 115 to 116 degrees centigrade on exposure of 30 minutes. So if the substance degrades around 115 to 116 degrees centigrade, After 30 minutes of exposure, then we cannot use the substance into autoclave for sterilization purpose. Next, applications of autoclaving. Now, as we told that autoclaves are used, there are numerous applications of autoclave in pharmaceutical industry. Some of the major applications I'm going to discuss over here. First of all, it is used for the sterilization purpose of surgical dressings and surgical instruments. That is one of the major application of autoclave. The second one is it is also used to sterilize glass containers and rubber closure. The third one is many official injection are sterilized by using autoclaving. The fourth one is it is widely used in the field of microbiology. And the fifth one is plastic tubes and pipette tips can be sterilized by using autoclave. So that's all about this class. In my next class, I'm going to discuss the other methods of sterilization by moist heat technique. Thank you.